In the Settings tab under General Settings, you can set the app name and icon that will be displayed in your app dashboard. You can also add an app description as well as set the time zone for your app. Under Advanced Features, you can enable or disable alpha features. Once disabled, they will no longer appear in the builder. When using alpha features, keep in mind that they are in the earliest stages of development and testing. You also have the option to hide the help window on the sides of your pages in the builder. When the read-only feature is enabled, your users will be prevented from making any changes on the app. You can also customize the error message to be displayed. Additionally, you'll have the option to hide the Tadabase badge on the bottom of your app pages. Finally, you can set your app to be the default app for your account. The default app will determine which app will be used when someone goes to your subdomain without specifying an app slug.